This is a quick tutorial on how to download your files from Max File Transfer. Upon receiving your email, copy your personal PIN. Next, select the Access Files button. Once the page loads, enter your personal PIN and submit. Select Download All. Your download should begin and a pop-up should appear. Select Download. Select the small blue arrow pointing down on the address bar. Depending on your phone, the address bar will either be at the top or bottom of your phone screen. Select Downloads from the menu that appears. Select the zip file. This should open your Downloads folder. Tap the zip file and this should create a new folder. Open the new folder. Select the three dots in the top right corner and on the menu tap Select. Now tap Select All. In the bottom left of your phone screen, tap the Share icon and select Save Images. Your images should now appear in your Photos app. If you're still having trouble, would like any other photo services, please don't hesitate to visit us at one of our branches nationwide.